Hey guys, and welcome to the video. First of all, I want to say something. A lot of you have been asking me what platforms I trade on. I trade on Robinhood and Webull the most. And if you're a new investor, I have the links down below where you can sign up under me. I would be honored if somebody did that. So guys, today with Zomedica, I was really impressed with the stock, honestly. The stock stayed above $1 all day. That means a lot of people are holding their ground. A lot of people are staying in this. And as more and more people find this stock and they find out what's going on, what's gonna happen here in March, and what this company does and what they're gonna do in the long run, you know, I think this could be a really big game changer for you and I as an investor. A lot of people have been asking me, is this something that I just need to get into before March and then get rid of it? That's a good question because honestly, I'm gonna say about 90% of people right now are buying this stock just for the March release date of their new product coming out. People have been asking me, what do I see this stock actually hitting? So I'm really comfortable that this stock is gonna hit a $2 to $5 mark before the March 30th release date of the Truforma product. But after that, are we gonna stay in this? Are people gonna hold this stock? Okay friends, I'm gonna read this newsletter that the CEO of Zomedica sent out to the shareholders. And there's some really interesting high points in this for you if you're going to stay in this stock after the March 30th release date of the Truforma product. These are some big clues of what Zomedica is doing, what they're going to be doing, and what cash on hand they're actually holding right now due to all this high volume in their stock right now. So at the top it says, "Dear shareholders, I am hopeful that you had a pleasant holiday." Now let's skip right down here to where it says, "We at Zomedica are excited as we enter in 2021, ready for a year of positive events. As a result of recent increase in the price of our common shares over the last several weeks, investors have been exercising their outstanding warrants, which has resulted in Zomedica receiving more than 40 million additional cash through January 15th, 2021. This additional infusion of cash further enhances our already very healthy balance sheet." And this is the important part for you as a long-term shareholder in this company. "Our cash and cash equivalents now are in excess of 90 million net of capital and operating expenditures from the fourth quarter. We expect that this amount will be significant in fund operations at least the calendar year of 2023. Our goal is to be cash flow positive at that point." So pretty much they have 90 million in cash, so to speak. That's something I always look for in a company that I'm going to invest in a long time. Now, $90 million, is that a lot of money? No. When we're talking about a company that especially is in the medical field, $90 million is probably like, you know, $100 in the common person's pocket. But a lot of companies, especially that have stock this low, they don't have cash on hand like that. They really don't. You don't see that a lot. Now, obviously, I'm taking the word of the CEO that wrote this, but you know, I'm thinking he's not lying because that would be fraud. And then let's read this last little bit, and this talks about the March 30th release date. "We are, of course, approaching our planned March 30th commercial launch of Truforma. Our point of care diagnostic platform commercialization plans remain on track, and we are beginning to build inventory. We intend to implement a controlled release phase wherein we slowly begin the sale of the Truforma instrument in at least 3 assays in a limited geographic area in order to test our distribution system to be sure that it performs as we anticipate in these COVID challenge times. We then expect to add 2 more assays later in 2021 as we continue to pursue a limited target market." It's kind of a scary word there. "The lessons learned during this COVID impact period are expected to be invaluable as we proceed into the future. Towards the end of 2021, we hope to expand our geographic coverage and market conditions justify such an expansion." Okay guys, I won't read any more of that because you can actually look this up. It's very good. And like I said, if this is something that you're going to hold after the March 30th, me right now holding as many shares as I am and expecting to see some pretty big numbers come up here in this company, I'm waiting to March 30th to really see what I'm going to do, sell half or all of it or just keep it. But friends, that's my quick little update here on Zomedica. I hope you have a fantastic week, a fantastic day. Tomorrow, today, whenever you're finding this video, is the inauguration of Biden. And I really think the stock market is going to be on fire tomorrow, especially a lot of these EV companies, renewable companies. We're going to see some big gains tomorrow if you invest in those sectors. But guys, like always, be positive, be you. Thank you so much for watching the video. Have a great day, guys. Bye-bye.